Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm ShatoyaLynn. So today I have decided that we are going to go ahead and have some taco salad. Do you guys like taco salad? So this is just a few products that we have. We don't like sour cream and the kids don't like all that other stuff. So this is very simple, fast, easy Friday night dinner meal. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below a recipe, or you can email me. My email will be in the description box, or you can actually DM me on Instagram any of your recipes, and I will be glad to try to make it. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and let's get started with this video. Alright, so I just have my ground beef. I went in and I seasoned it with onion powder, garlic powder, and just some dried onions. I keep it very simple because I'm going to be using a taco seasoning, so you don't want to over season the taco meat, and that's just my preference. Everybody is different, but this is how we do it. And also you can, like the toppings, the kids don't eat a lot of toppings, but you can always add all of your own toppings. We're just gonna go ahead and cut up these cherry tomatoes. I like these because they are a little sweeter for me, and we don't really like tomatoes that much. And these are so small, so I don't really gotta do anything to them really. Alright, so we got that cut up. So I'm just gonna move this over here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some cheese into the bowl. Everybody loves cheese, so we got that cheese. And we got the salad. There we go. And so the kids love to use the Doritos. Then I also use the Doritos. So I'm gonna put the Doritos like that. I'm gonna line everything up for everybody. I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna try to put these in the air fryer. I never put them in the air fryer, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I know I probably should put it like fry them, but I'm just gonna put them in the air fryer to warm them up. And we also have these chips as well. And the salsa. Alright guys, I'll be back when the ground beef is done, and I'll show you how I do my taco salad. Alright, here's the ground beef. Here is the wraps, tomatoes, cheese, lettuce, chips. There, my son already made his plate, so that's why it looks like that. But let's build this salad.
Let's go. You go. Dude, that's like all 3 times. Oh, no, that's not cool. Yeah. Yeah, good. Let's go part 3. Good, this. What? No. How it's harder to beat this? Get a badge? That's the possible. See how possible is just that? Dude, how much speed is? Speed are. It made up speed. Speed.
Oh, you're more.
Shut up! The hacker! Shut up! Oh my God! I want to give you one to buy a dinner. No.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that.
Oh yeah.
I really hope Snow doesn't have to like, but that's really good. Lay down.
Wait.
What's the point of
Ben? Ben?
Oh, well, not good.
Ben is so happy. How do you think your pet a thing?
That's good.
Dude, who's so funny?
We do. Yeah, that's a little stuff.